Welcome back to Adventure in Peace. Glad to see you here. So today we're working on a 2024 Chevrolet 2500HD. With this truck when we bought it, it did not have a fifth wheel prep or anything like that. So in here in the bed, it just comes with this dummy knockout plug. So now what I want to do is I actually want to add a trailer plug for the bed of my truck in case I ever wanted to add a fifth wheel hitch in the back of this truck. Or since I actually use my trailer plugs for diagnostics and things like that, to have one up in the bed of the truck instead of underneath the tailgate makes my life a lot easier. And having a trailer plug actually has a lot of uses. So that's what I'm trying to do, is I want to convert it to have this as well. So with my truck, all it takes is a plug. You go right there in the bed, and then the jumper harness to tie in the rest of the system as it is. So it's a super easy install. I'm going to show you how to do it right here. First thing we got to do is get that trailer plug cover out of there. So if you take your pry bar and then pry it out, we can get that removed. So you can see it actually looks just like the backside of a normal trailer plug. So that's what we're going to do to install. Once that's out of the way, we have our harness right here. That is going to connect into the back of the trailer plug itself. And then we'll feed it down through the hole that comes out through the bed frame on the bottom. And from there, I'll show you where you actually hook up to the harness right below it. That hole right up there, that daylight, that is where that trailer plug comes out. And the harness will come down here. And this is the actual factory harness that my truck has for if I want to add in a different plug. So it's already pre-terminated down here with all your wire harness and lights and things like that, wires. It's just dead-ended. So there's nothing connected to it. So you can just buy a generic one if you wanted and put it in the hole and go that route. But I wanted to buy the harness so it actually looks is factory. So we're just going to quick disconnect it here, connect the two in between, and that's all there is to it for doing this upgrade. So this right here is the factory harness number. You can see the pre-terminated ends right there. Disconnect removing tape from wire, so you can see it's all right there. And it's all listed what they do. So this is what we're going to, is this harness right here. That is the part number for it. And plug, simple as can be. That's what we're swapping to. And this is it all connected. We're going to connect it there. And those are the two clips. And we're going to make sure we do the one connector with a clip on the end, because that's how it hooks up into the frame, and that's how it seats. But we're just going to feed that through the hole. Snaps in just like that. Now we have a trailer plug in the bed of the truck. As you can see, it's right there, right up on the edge. There's actually clip holes right there, a clip right there, and then it snakes all the way down and around, and then locks in back into the system right there, and a clip right there. So everything's nice, neat, out of the way. As you can see, this was super easy to do. It takes about 10 minutes worth of time, and really you just need like one pry bar just to get the plug dummy out of the bed of the truck. So with that, I like it. It's a great upgrade for me to have flexibility, just even power source in the bed of my truck. So it's super easy. And I'll have all the links I can do and part numbers in the description of this video, so it makes it easier for you to do it as well. So hopefully you can like the video, comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming out, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure.